Hi guys, welcome to How To Library. Today I'm going to show you how to add filters to your video on CapCut. So, on the top of the screen you can see this a big blue bubble that says new project, and you can just click on that and pick any video you would like to edit. But I'll just click on this video that's down here that's named 1204. I'm going to click on that. I haven't done anything special to this video. I just put it here. I'm just going to click on it. So if you want to add filters to your video, this is just a random video from TikTok I downloaded. All you have to do is look at the bottom of the screen, and we have edit, audio, text, stickers, overlay, effects, and then when we scroll, there's filters. So we're going to click on filters. And you have a lot of options here. You have filters, adjust, video quality, and then we have filters about live, food, movies, etc., etc. But I'm going to go back to live. So I'm going to click photo booth. And as you can see, it added it to the video. And right under the filters, you can just add how intense you want the filter to be. So on the far left is the normal video, and on the far right is the effect on full. So I'm just going to put it somewhere in between to make it look cool. And when you're done, all you have to do is click on the bottom right corner on the little icon, and that's how you save it. And that's about it. Thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye guys.